Friends, today I'll tell you how to prepare best liquid fertilizer for monsoon season. Here I have taken 200 gram of vermicompost. In that I am adding 100 gram of mustard cake powder, and in that I will be adding 100 gram of jaggery or gur. The jaggery and gur contains lots of macronutrients and micronutrients, as well as they will help in fermentation process for all this mustard cake powder and vermicompost and all. And I'll tell you that if you don't have vermicompost, you can add cow dung compost also, so that they provide sufficient amount of bacteria and other micros for proper fermentation. And make a slurry of it, mix it properly so that the slurry and some of this all this good and jaggery can mix very nicely with this vermicompost, and as well as with the say mustard cake powder. So this is the how it is prepared, I'll tell you. And after that you have to add around, mix it in around 2 liter of water. 2 liter of water I'll be mix it, and I'll keep it for 4 days. So just see and watch the entire video. I'll tell you how to prepare, how to apply on plants also, and you will get immense flowering, immense boost in flowering, and as well as immense growth in plants. And now this is the 2 liter water I am adding here. Mix this mixture in 2 liter of water, and then let it ferment for 4 days. And for this earthen pitcher or this earthen pot is the best for proper fermentation of this, making this liquid fertilizer for monsoon season. And if you want, you can apply in any kinds of plants, exclusive of this indoor plants. Only the outdoor plants, all kinds of flowering plants, fruit plants, every kind of outdoor plants you can apply, and you have to apply once in 15 days. So this is the slurry is made here properly, and mix it properly in 2 liter of water. Now keep it in semi-shade area for 4 days, not more than 4 days, and maybe 3 days or 4 days. And after that, and you have to stir it every day morning. And I'll apply in these kinds of portulaca, these kinds of 9 o'clock plant, and different types of plants. And I'll show the amazing results of this liquid fertilizer in monsoon season on portulaca and different types of flowering plants I'll add, and I'll show you. Just see and let it wait for 4 days, and after 4 days I'm showing the results. Welcome back, friends. After 4 days this fermentation process is over. Now I'll tell you how to apply it on the plants. I have taken 4 liter of water. Our gardener Bolaram Manna showing you, taken 4 liter of water in a bucket, and in that taking the slurry of this mixture of fermented mixture here. And after 4 days proper fermentation is done. And now stir it properly before mixing it. This is the product, final product after 4 days. And stir it properly. And after stirring it properly, you have to take around 500 ml of this solution and mix it in around 4 liter of water, 4 to 5 liter of water. And if you want, you can make it in 10 liter of water also, maybe it may thinner. And this is the very diluted solution you have to prepare. And this is how he is taking around 500 ml of this liquid solution. And after taking it, mix it in properly with 4 liter or 5 liter of water, and then stir it properly and make a very liquid fertilizer. And you have to apply once in 15 days. In every kind of plant you can want, you can apply it, and you will see the amazing results. In 4 to 5 days time you will see the amazing growth of your plant, and all there will be lots of buds in flower buds. And if the flower buds are not opening, they will open up properly, because they contains lots of macronutrients and micronutrients for this liquid fertilizer, and you have to apply once in 15 days. So this is the mandevilla plants we are applying fertilizer, and in rose plant also we are applying this kinds of fertilizer, this fertilizer. And in Musanda also we will be applying around 100 ml to 200 ml once in 15 days is enough. And in the meantime, you don't have to apply any kind of fertilizer. Please don't apply any other kind of fertilizer in the meantime. And let it apply on this portulaca also. Here is how our Bolaram Montu Gharai is applying this liquid fertilizer in our portulaca hanging baskets. And some other plants are also here in our garden. We are applying that plants also. So this is how you have to apply. Around 100 ml will be enough for this one pot. So this is how they are applying, and now later part I will be applying in some bhinka plant. Lots of bhinka plants are in our garden. Some of this kaner or some hibiscus I will also apply. So this is all. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us.